Welcome you again to Nedu Mr. channel for another tutorial. In our discussion for today, I'm going to show to you step-by-step approach to the design you're seeing on the screen right now. Please hit the like button and leave me a comment if this video added value to you, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And if you're a returning subscriber, I say a very big welcome to you again. Let's go straight into it. I'm supposed to use either of the colors I used to design it for this background, but that you may clearly see what I'm doing here, that is why I use this gold material. The square I'm placing on it is of size 1.5 inches. It's a square, that is, the four sides are equal, 1.5 inches. And the thing I put behind this box that seems like a tape is called gum. Here also is a stripe of width 1.5 inches. The straight line you see on it indicates same of 0.5 inch. I'm going to put gum behind this. This is to make the design comes out very neat. I'm supposed to use cover cloth, but because of the tutorial, I'm not using it. So you are advised that when doing this design, you should use cover cloth. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if this video added value to you. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and also like this video, please. And this is the first stage of the design. This stripe is also of weight 1.5 inches. I'm going to trim this because I still want to be seeing the four sides of the square still. Let's put gum here. I'm going to do this 2 more times again. Don't forget to always put emigun, please. Now we have completed a sequence of this design. So here there is going to be a loop, in the sense that we are going to start all over again, like we have returned to this stage. Always remember to put emigun, please. See what we have here. Now we have complete the sequence again. Then there will be a loop. The same sequence will keep on repeating itself, guys. So I believe even if you should see hundreds of that sequence, all of a sudden from this point, you won't be surprised because you know how it happens. Now this width is enough for the pocket. So we are going to do things differently from this point. Unlike before that I normally trim this blue arrow that I may see the sides of the square. This time I'm not going to trim it, I'm just going to gum it like that. And the same goes to the other three angles. Let's trim out the excess material, that is the gold material. You will see from here that the shape we still have in our hand is square, just that we have increased its size from 1.5 to 5 inches. Please, I would like to hear from you what you think about this content. Please leave me a comment please, and also like this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and turn on your notification bell that you may always get notification when I drop a new video. I promise you all of this will never cost you a dime. Wetting any gum will make it to be effective very quick. You won't need to put any interfacing again because this is hard already, very hard. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you again in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe, please.